aim of the GEO-SAFE project is to create a network between Europe and Australia in order to exchange knowledge and ideas and to develop tools to control forest fires.
Increasing number of bushfires and the magnitude of bushfires is much higher and unprecedented. It is very important to prevent the fires from happening and also coordinate the bushfire management and also the evacuation planning for cities and towns to be resilient to these disasters.
Extremely useful to be in the project, especially in the domain of wildfire management, because of the complementarity of the problems and situations here in Australia, in Europe. So through the project it appeared that both the conditions of wildfire and the processes are different, and from this point of view, so we learned a lot from each other.
Thanks to this project, we have made wider our research area. We are providing with a knowledge that it was not specialized in forest fire, but it is in methodologies.
For us, as members of one of the countries of Southern Europe, where fires are a big problem and a big responsibility.
It's not only the project, but we are going a future line and open a new frontier in our research.
I'm going to speak about a specific branch of my PhD, which is related to the gathering of end-user requirements. Sometimes there is this problem that data does not get into the proper applicability that the end users need from an operational point of view.
Representing UTC partner, Université de Technologie de Compiègne. So since I am working in my thesis for time-tabling problems, I am here for the GEO-SAFE project to work on the firefighters' time-tabling problem.
I'm very interested in the behavior of megafires. And I think that we have to collaborate between Europe and Australia about this topic.
In WebAccess we use density contours, which are probably easier to see, but here we're just enlarging the icon so you can see the people move. So from that simulation, we can start to see how much time it takes to evacuate the people so many hours after the fire.
My thesis is part of the GEO-SAFE project. It's about developing new models of probabilistic and robust combinatorial optimization. I think GEO-SAFE project is really interesting in how it brings together scientific communities from Europe and Australia and different disciplinary community from different science domains.
Australia is an interesting continent. It's big, it's huge, it has a lot of variation, it has a very specific vegetation, and the most important thing is that we have, on the one hand, the problem at a large scale at hand. The second is that there's very good research organizations that are actively involved in this kind of work that is way beyond the universities, but also, let's say, the bushfire institutes. And the third one is that there is an enormous set of wonderful data available collected in the past. So we have that unique combination of a problem, good data and skillful people that we could help to solve the problem.